gotta swallow it. There you go. Oh, that's now good.
Your hand looks huge.
No, because she's that tiny. Come on. Let's do a grunting.